Hey everybody, Mark here with a quick market update for you for the month of January. So looking at sales, we saw another nice rebound in year over year sales. So we were up 34% year over year. And we ended up coming in 10% below the 10-year average. So that's 3 months in a row of nice rebound in sales. But you have to keep this in context. So if we look at last year's overall sales, I was actually the worst yearly total of sales in the past 10 years. And if we look at 2023, that was the second worst yearly total of sales in the past 10 years. So it's good to see that the market and sales are starting to pick up and getting closer to the 10-year average. But keep in mind that when you see these big 34% or 47% increases year over year in sales, it's coming off some pretty dismal sales figures. So just keep that in mind. But the trend, if it continues, is definitely a positive mark for the local market, or positive indicator for the local market. When we look at prices, they've been fairly flat. All numbers have trended up a little bit year over year, whether we're looking at median price, average selling price, or even the composite price for the North Okanagan. Up anywhere from about 3% to 5% year over year. It's been fairly flat, which is actually quite good considering what the sales numbers have been over the past 2 years. So I don't think anybody is anticipating huge price increases in 2025, but they're definitely anticipating prices to gain some strength as we move through the year, especially if sales continue to be closer to the 10-year average than what we've seen over the past couple of years. Inventory levels are right where they should be, so that's good news. And it's looking like we're having lots of listings coming out early in the year. It's been great weather other than the last 2 weeks. So if we continue to see that trend, there should be lots of options for buyers out there come springtime, come summertime. The elephant in the room that nobody knows what's going to happen with is obviously what's happening with the US tariffs, but there's not much we can do about that. So that will just be a wait and see. So overall, market's trending in the right direction as far as sales go, starting to strengthen. We've seen 3 months in a row, 4 months in a row if you're looking at the central Okanagan or even the lower mainland. So that's good news for us. If you're thinking of buying, if you're thinking of selling, you just want to know what's going on in the market, reach out to me at any time. Be more than happy to sit down and chat with you. Till next time, peace. Bye for now.